Kundalini Yoga is often referred to as a science or a technology in which classes consist of postures, hand positions that are often referred to as mudras, as well as pranayamas known as breathing techniques, and meditations and mantras. These are designed to support the cleansing, clearing, and strengthening of your vital systems. There's alignments and angles of the arms, the legs, and the body that impact positively acupressure points and meridian lines, ultimately resulting in a practice that strengthens and balances your nervous system, your immune system, your glandular system, and your digestive system, bringing optimum flow of prana and energy throughout your vital organs and your entire body. The ultimate goal of Kundalini Yoga is awareness, assisting us in shifting our perspective so we have a more expansive perspective towards life's challenges, dealing with those stressors with more ease and grace, and also an ability to move us out of that state of struggle and survivalism and rather into a place of thriving and vibrant living. As we move through our exercises and our postures in a Kundalini Yoga class, we keep our focus on the breath. Long, full, deep breaths. This supports us in, again, having most optimum benefits from our practice. It also supports us in bringing the breath in our day-to-day lives. Our eyes are most often closed in a Kundalini Yoga practice. And the reason for that is to support us in keeping that inner awareness, inner connection, so we're not comparing ourselves to others or getting distracted by outer distractions. We also focus on a mantra most of the time during our practice. One of the basic mantras that we use during a Kundalini Yoga practice that assists us when our mind begins to wander and we're thinking about this or that in our day is Sat Nam. Sat Nam means truth is my identity. Sat, truth, Nam, identity. In our practice and through some of the exercises, we apply what's referred to as the root lock, also known as the Mula Bandha, in which we pull up the pelvic floor, contracting the anus, genitals, pulling in and up the abdomen and navel center. This has countless yogic benefits, particularly hormonal balance, strengthening our energy, and also supporting and reducing the aging process.